Hello guys, in today's video we are going to see about Shingeki no Kyojin or Attack on Titan's new manga release, which is chapter 136. Name of this manga chapter is Devote Your Hearts. So without wasting time, let us read the manga. It's a bird, and people are riding on it. What are you doing here? Gabby, what do you expect when you left us behind like that? You know that we can fight too. Annie, the Ozumbuto ship sunk. What? It could not withstand Falco's transformation. We weren't even sure that he could fly, but Kiyomi was okay with it all and let us go. That's why we need to stop the rumbling. We need to repay her kindness. Gabby, Falco, do you remember your promise to me? Of course I do, Mr. Brown. You are going to save Gabby from the dark future we face. I will. So, how's Army? No, how's Beck? What's her status? Armin's been captured by the Titans. His life is in danger. A Titan that took Army should be by the tailbone. Annie, help us. Your childhood friends just love getting kidnapped, don't they? Of course, I will get him back. What about Beck? She's by the skull. We tried to blow the nap up, but the Warhammer Titan is stopping us. Blow it up. We have trapped explosives around the nap, but we could not hit the trigger. Both. We are doing both. One group will rescue Army. We can use the Colossal Titan explosion. The other will go after Erin and attack the nap at the same time. We will split into two teams and do it simultaneously. Captain, we are not in a place where we can be concerned about Erin any longer. No, we never were to begin with. But what? We who died back there if not for this flying miracle we are on now. Yeah, without having done a thing. Jen, there was a whole lot I wanted to tell that idiot, but damn it, I am the same. I don't want to give up on Erin, but it's my fault that the captain can't even fight now. What more, we are up against the founder Titan here. Do you really think we will be able to go easy on it? Mikasa, we need to kill Eren. Mikasa, just focus on saving Armin. You don't need to think about anything else. Okay. When Eren's head went flying, what? I shot Eren's head off with an anti-Titan rifle right before he managed to touch Mr. Zeki. When I did, something jumped out of Erin's spine. It looked like a shining centipede or something, and it connected to Erin's head. What? Gross. That's the founding Titan. No, if that's the true nature of the power of the Titans, we might see it again if we decapitate him. Wow, they are heading back toward the attack Titan. We won't give up either. Even if it's just a cannon or two, it's still better than nothing. Refugees, wait, They used to have armbands on their left arms. You are Eldians, aren't you? Hey, hold on. We are just here to ask you to help our wounded. We are in no situation to do that. What are you really here for, Mr. Leonard? Now do you understand? Marley and soldiers aren't going to help us. Looks like we outnumber them. We have more experience in battle too. You have sent us to the front line time and time again for the sake of you Marleyans after all. Put down your guns, Eldians. Damn it, stop. I said put down your guns. What? Since when did you? Secretary Muller. Who? What was that? They are still at each other's throats. Falco, watch out for projectiles. Here they come. Now, speed up. Hold on. Let's go. You go help Armin. We will come back later with Falco to back you up. Jin, Rainer, please don't die on us. Yeah, I will get the attention of the Warhammer Titan. Same to you. Now, Jin, just hold on. Rainer, just wait until I denote the. No, more help. Yeah, makes sense. Iki, knowing how to vertically maneuver must be nice. I can't get close. What? No, no Pecky. Get away. What? Jin, if you think I am a titan, that's only good for odd jobs and not fighting. You are dead wrong. With the cards endurance, so long as they don't take out, I can fight until we win. Even if I have to try hundreds of times, so Jin, you don't need to worry about me, just ignore me and blow up. Whoa, well, even if I won 100 times, I guess that still would not mean much against a million enemies. Even Bretol's been used as a puppet. Unforgivable there. That one, the big or whatever that an is. Which one? That one over there, that thing. Where? Which of the 9 titans would it be? The cart, the beast, maybe the jaws. That does not help. Mikasa, you need to take this seriously. I am. Oh, only one is running away. That's an okay. I don't know what that is. Go Falco. We will corner that pig or whatever it is while it is on the tailbone. Then we will stop it. Let's get Armin back. I can provide cover with this anti-titan rifle. You won't kill any of these titans with that. Where is Zeki? Where is he? Even if I did find him though, I'd be just a burden in this state. Damn it. I have never bungled one of these orders. Not even once. Not yet for some reason. His final order is the one that I just can't. Our role may have ended there. We got those brats to the sea. If that was the extent of our role, tell me, when you guys devoted yourself, was that in order to trample the hearts and lives of others? No. When we dreamed of a world without our titans, I'm pretty sure that was an absolutely innocent and idealized world. Because if it wasn't, it won't have been worth that they devoted. Erwin pick, did not pick you, and I have no regrets about that. About entrusting the future to that kid who had the same look in his eyes as you. Oh no, it is going to run away toward the head. Annie, stop right here, okay? Out of my way. Oh no. Annie, you can't go off on your own. They will kill you in no time flat. The pig, oh no. It's heading for Bertold. Hey. Why? Why not? My body, move. Please, you have to move. Everyone's going to die. Rainer, Peck, Jin, Connie, Mikasa, Annie. All of them. Don't you get it? They are going to die. Wake up, you piece of trash. Filthy bastard. Useless idiot. I hate you. I always have. You have never done anything but betray me. The life I was given, the expectations, the responsibilities, everything, all of them. You haven't been able to give them anything in return. So, why are you dead like that? Move. I said move. Sand? Think. If I really was dead, how would I be able to think with no oxygen coming to my brain? This isn't a dream. It's not a vision. It's not even the afterlife. This is the path. This is reality. I am supposed to be in a titan's mouth right now. So why do I know what everyone is doing? Because all aliens are connected via this path. In that case, there might be something I can do here. Hey, think. What? Hello, Mr. Zeki. Hello, Erin's friend. So, Amir ate you too.